Hey there, fellow seekers of financial harmony. Welcome back to another episode of Wealthy and Well with your host, Mason. Today, we're diving deep into the realm of alternative income streams and how they can align with your authentic self. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mason, what does that even mean? Well, my friends, it means finding ways to make money that not only support your financial goals, but also resonate with your true passions and purpose. So grab a cup of tea, settle in, and let's explore the multifaceted world of alternative income streams. 1. Passion and purpose. When it comes to alternative income streams, the first question you need to ask yourself is, what truly lights me up? What are those activities that make time fly by and fill your heart with joy? Whether it's writing, painting, cooking, or even teaching, there's a world of possibilities out there waiting for you to tap into. By aligning your income streams with your passions and purpose, you not only create a sense of fulfillment, but also attract abundance into your life. 2. Skills and expertise. Now, let's talk about your unique set of skills and expertise. We all have something that we excel at, something that sets us apart from the crowd. It could be your knack for numbers, your way with words, or your ability to connect with people. Take a moment to reflect on your strengths and consider how you can leverage them to create alternative income streams. Remember, your skills are valuable, and there are people out there who are willing to pay for what you have to offer. 3. Market demand. While it's important to follow your passions and leverage your skills, it's equally crucial to consider the market demand for your chosen alternative income stream. Ask yourself, is there a need for what I want to offer? Conduct thorough research, analyze trends, and identify gaps in the market. By finding that sweet spot where your authentic self meets market demand, you can create a sustainable and profitable income stream. 4. Diversification. One of the key benefits of exploring alternative income streams is the opportunity for diversification. Relying solely on a single source of income can be risky, especially in today's ever-changing world. By diversifying your income streams, you not only safeguard yourself against unexpected financial setbacks, but also open doors to new opportunities and experiences. So don't be afraid to explore different avenues and embrace the beauty of diversity in your financial journey. 5. Impact and legacy. Lastly, let's talk about the impact and legacy you want to leave behind. When choosing alternative income streams, consider how they align with your values and the positive change you want to create in the world. Are there ways to make a difference while making money? Can you contribute to causes that are close to your heart? Remember, wealth is not just about accumulating material possessions. It's about leaving a lasting impact and creating a legacy that goes beyond your lifetime. And there you have it, my friends. A contemplative journey into the world of alternative income streams. By aligning your authentic self with your financial choices, you can create a life of abundance, purpose, and fulfillment. So, as we wrap up today's episode, I encourage you to take a moment to reflect on the aspects we've explored. What alternative income streams align with your authentic self? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more transformative content. Until next time, stay wealthy and well.